With total submission to the will of God Almighty, we the entire family of Oforkansi of Iruojevi village in Omoriam Kindred of Abudu village Nando in Anambra East local government area, Anambra State, cordially invites you to the burial ceremony of our dearly beloved father, husband, brother, uncle, in-law, grandfather and head of clan, late High Chief Oforzoba Emmanuel Oforkansi, Ichie Akaekpuchi Onwa Nando, aged 83 years. Burial arrangements: Friday 25th February 2022, 5 p.m. service of songs at his compound Abudu village Nando. Saturday 26th February 2022, body leaves New World Medical Complex Mortuary Okozo to his residence at Abudu village Nando. Funeral rites and entertainment follows immediately. Sunday 27th February 2022, outing service at St. John of Arc Catholic Church Nando. Signed, Mr. Oforkansi Fidelis, Ofor Jesus, for the family.